Hey guys, it's Maymay, and it is time for our October Stamp of the Month Club reveal. This one is a cutie, and I'm going to tell you something. I tell you all the time whenever I create a stamp set, I usually have something in mind for it. And the card I had in mind for you guys for the sample was a doozy. It took me 2 hours to make. So you're gonna get one sample today, but it's literally what I had in mind when we created this set, and I know you're gonna want a video of it too. So I'm gonna show you the set. I've got a bunch of ideas for what this thing can do too, by the way, but I think you're really gonna love it. It's gonna be a super fun fall, October, November set for you, okay? Here we go. Check this guy out. This one is called Howdy Pumpkin, okay? Now, let me tell you, I love this set, okay? What it gives us is this cute little market stand, like farmer's market stand, which I think is so cute. And by the way, we have these all over my town, and I love riding by them and seeing all the pumpkins and everything everywhere. So that's one reason for this set, because I love them. You also get two different tops or awnings. We call them awnings in the South. I'm not sure what everybody else calls them, but you get this one that is so cute that looks like a little farmer stand or a little farmer market stand. And then you also get this one that goes across, or was made to go across here, but you can do a lot of stuff with that, but was made to go across here. So if you wanted a different look and you wanted to stamp words inside of it, you could. You get three gorgeous pumpkins. I tried to do something different because I have a lot of pumpkins in my line, but I wanted to give you some pumpkins that were different looking pumpkins. They remind me of what I bought this year at the actual farmer's market. Then you get this cute little bucket, which, oh my goodness, you guys are going to fill with 1,000 different things. You can put anything in this guy. And let's talk about my favorite part, the sentiments. I love these sentiments. So check it out. You see that pumpkin is our focus, right? Check this out. I pick you, pumpkin. Love you, pumpkin. Way to go, pumpkin. Thinking of you, pumpkin. Thank you, pumpkin. Best wishes, pumpkin. See, I can use all this together. Hey there, pumpkin. Howdy, pumpkin. But here's my favorite part about it. You don't have to use pumpkin. You can just do I pick you. If you're using, like, you remember our apple set, apple in my eye? This would be so cute for that set. How about just love you? Way to go. Thinking of you. Thank you. Best wishes. Hey there. Howdy. We wanted to give you sentiments that you could use for the fall and all year long. Because I know if you're like me, I like my sets, and you know this, I like my sets to work for lots of different occasions. And this is one that's going to do that for us. Not to mention this adorable little leaf right here and some sprigs of grass. Now, like I said to you, I made you one sample. It took me 2 hours. I had to make sure this was going to work, and it was what I had in mind when we created this. So let me show you. Now, there's some tweaking I need to do to it because it didn't turn out exactly. You're looking at the front going, that took you 2 hours. No, it's what's inside that did. There's some tweaking I need to do to it, and when I bring this to you in video form, I'll have the tweaks made for you, but I want to show you the inside. Are you ready? Look how cute this is. Look at our little 3D stand. You could put a candle in there, a tea light if you wanted to. I think that little stand is so cute. And you're thinking 2 hours? I know, but I had to make sure this was going to work, and I had to figure out our little stand tops. Do you see that? I think it is so cute. I love how it turned out. There's some things I want to change. For example, I'm going to flatten this down. Do you see how I stamped a leaf in here? I was going to stamp a word in here, and I decided when it was open, it really didn't matter. You know, you couldn't really see in there. So I really should have done my background a little bit better. And I probably would add some background behind there, some paper. But I was just playing to see if I could make this work. And I think it is adorable. Another thing I think can be done with this little guy, I think you can make it and have a pocket here and maybe put a Ghirardelli square in there or something and give out little farmer markets. Oh, how cute would that be? What else could we slide in there if we made that like that? I think that'd be so cute. So this is your sample today, and I want to show you, I used all the pumpkins, and I tried to do them. This is so funny. The farmer's market next to my house where I bought my pumpkins from this year have got the most beautiful color pumpkins, and I tried to just not worry about pumpkins being orange, but use all these different colors. This one, for example, I actually bought a peach colored pumpkin this year. I bought a teal pumpkin that is incredible. I always buy white pumpkins, and I just thought I'd play with color, right? I love this. So there is our little pop-up market stand. It's so cute. I wish you could see it from the front standing. I'll do it like that. Can you imagine putting a little tea light in there and have it sitting on your windowsill for the fall? Especially if you're doing one of those color changing tea lights, so it was kind of the darker colors. I think it'd be so cute. Not to mention, hey there, pumpkin. How cute is that? So there's your sample. I'm sorry you only get one this time, but like I said, it took me a while. And for those of you who know, we are in the middle of packing Maymay Make It, and so that's got me wrapped up for the next couple of days. So I'm a little tight on time. But I love how this one turned out. And look, see how the bottom, see how it's folded in there? And I can't wait to bring you this in video form, but I am going to make some edits to it, a couple of things here and there. So thanks so much for being a part of our stamp club. This one is a fun one. By the way, can you imagine this used for like a whole bunch of different things? It doesn't have to be an awning. Look, if you turn it upside down, it's like a big old basket. Do you see that? You just got to think outside the box. The other thing I thought was, wouldn't this be cute as a hanging sign on your card if you stamped inside of it and you used some baker's twine and like hung it from the top of your card? I think that would be adorable. And who knows? Oh, that's a sign too, guys. Look at that one. If you put that one in the ground, I just saw that, but that looks like a sign to me as well. So I can't wait to see what you guys do with this. And let me give you some advice. First off, you want to win our contest. We always have a $50 gift card to our store giveaway every month for our new stamp sets. And here's how it works. All you do is you make a project using this stamp set, head to our customer gallery at maymaymadeit.com and post your photo. That's it. You're entered. That's how you do it. It's a random giveaway, and every month we pick someone. So there'll be a winner in the description of this video from last month. But what I want you to know is if you get any of our stamp sets and need inspiration, our customer gallery is the place to be. It's like our own Maymay Pinterest. It is so many beautiful projects made by our viewers. And I want to encourage you to go over and follow us on Instagram. Our new pictorial design team is doing Instagram posts. And you will love all of their inspiration. Now, they won't necessarily be using this stamp set just yet, but they have a lot of other projects that they're making to give you inspiration for stuff from our store. So thanks so much for being a part of our club. I cannot wait to see what you do with this stamp set, and I'm going to bring in this video to you real soon. Thanks so much, guys. Talk to you next time. Bye-bye.